Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We have stood up to the challenge. During these COVID times, we have taken the challenge, and this year, even though we are celebrating in the hybrid mode, but the film festival is larger than any. In Iffi, for the first time, we are having a BRICS festival, film festival, along with the Iffi.
Felicitation of the international jury, for which I would like to call on stage Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Anurag Thakur ji, and Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant ji. Let's have a big hand for them. Let's have a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
This year, the recipient of the Indian Film Personality of the Year is none other than the dream girl of Indian cinema.
क्या बात है, come on, एक बार जोरदार तालियां everybody.